Did you know? About 11% of people in the world are left-handed. There's no denying it. Left-handers are the odd ones out. Just consider all the right-handed gadgets like desks, cooking tools, and electronic devices that fit comfortably on the right hand. Scientists aren't exactly sure of what makes a person left-handed, but research points to a complex collaboration between genes and environment. It has been discovered that people who dominantly use their left hands do have more left-handed family members. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. Despite their tiny brains, ostriches are big birds. They can weigh between 140 to 290 pounds, and their eggs range from 3 to 5 pounds. Ostriches are closely related to dinosaurs and have similar tissue to a T-Rex. One thing that is not true about ostriches is that they don't bury their heads in the sand when they're scared. Male ostriches dig large holes with their beaks to make a nest for their eggs, and both male and female ostriches take turns sitting on the nest. About 85% of plant life is found in the ocean. The ocean contains a large array of plant life. According to National Geographic, the ocean covers more than 70% of the surface of the planet. It holds 320 million cubic miles of water. The deepest part of the ocean may have little or no plant life. Because ocean plants need sunlight, most are either designed to float on the surface of the water or grow on the ocean's floor in the water that is shallow enough to receive adequate sunlight. Some of the plants found in the ocean are kelp, seaweed, seagrass, and lead algae. Birds need gravity to swallow. Birds can be taken to outer space because birds need gravity to swallow food. A few days before NASA put on an experiment with a bird, they took a bird into space. After the ship passes the gravity level, the bird does not eat anything and has some balancing problems. NASA officials thought it's just a gravity problem, but suddenly the beak of the bird was pointed downwards every time. Then it was discovered that the birds need gravity to lift their beaks and swallow food. So if you're going to space, don't go with birds. About 8% of people have an extra rib. This extra rib is called the cervical rib. About 1 in 10 people who have a cervical rib develop thoracic outlet syndrome. The thoracic outlet is the space that lies just above your first leg and behind your collarbone. Thoracic outlet syndrome can occur when one or more structures are compressed in the thoracic outlet. A cervical rib can sometimes cause this compression. This can cause pain like pins and needles in your arm on the affected side. Treatment can include painkillers, physiotherapy, and sometimes surgery.